Our team of engineers recently traveled to Saudi Arabia to install and fine-tune a paper cup printing and die-cutting machine at a client's facility. Following installation, our engineers conducted detailed calibration to meet the client's specific production requirements, ensuring precision in both printing and die-cutting operations. This tailored service minimized downtime and allowed the client to seamlessly integrate the new equipment into their production line. In addition to technical setup, our engineers provided on-site training for the client's staff, walking them through the operation, maintenance, and troubleshooting of the machine.